हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।
Hello guys, nowadays the Ankha Zone character of the Animal Crossing series is becoming the subject of discussion among social media users because Ankha is seen dancing in a very strange way in the video that's grabbing the attention of the people. It is being said that the video's music is too adorable which is attracting everyone, and this is the reason behind its popularity. It's created by the artist Zone and he has more than 187,000 followers on Twitter and approximately 531,000 subscribers on YouTube. Well, get to know comprehensive details. Check the information along with some unknown facts, then watch the full video. As per the reports, Ankha is a rural cat in the Animal Crossing series that appears in almost all games except for some that are Pocket Camp, Wild World. It is being said that Ankha is an Egyptian word and stands for Ankh, and it is also related to the hieroglyphic life of Egypt. The name of Ankha in Japanese is the Nile, which stands for Nile River because many Egyptians settled there. Ankha's character is described as she wears a luminous blue strips yellow jacket and set the eyeliner like an Egyptian. In short, her character seems too attractive. It is being reported that Ankha initially wore up a pink aloha shirt when she considered an Islander, and in the city folk and New Leaf she took mummy shirt attire. Later she changed it and wore a place tank costume in New Horizons. In the series, Ankha is quite an arrogant personality, which indicates her personality that she likes gossip and makeup. She will portray a very arrogant personality in the beginning. She will about the villagers. The posters and promo kind of videos have been liberated by the makers that have taken place on social media and enhanced everyone's curiosity. It is being said further that as soon as Ankha meets the villagers, she will be filled with enthusiasm, but at the same time she refuses to interact with lazy people. Then she thinks that she will not even meet all those villagers who are interested in sports because she knows very well that they will judge her body measurement definitely. This pieces of information came as per the sources, but there could be some changes as well, and whenever we will update you. For more latest updates, keep visiting our channel and do subscribe. Thank you so much.